Newer generations of dental impression materials have given dentists the ability to create more predictable and reliable dental prostheses. However, despite the many advances in material technology, each new generation of materials has had at least one major disadvantage. The first modern impression materials, the polysulfides, produced reasonably accurate impressions, but were difficult to work with and unpleasant to the taste and smell. The second generation of materials, the C-silicones, offered snap-set properties that made it easier to capture impressions, but the material did not perform well in moist conditions. The next advancement, polyether materials, delivered accurate impressions in wet conditions, but they tended to be rigid, and patients frequently complained about the taste and smell. The A-silicones, commonly referred to as VPS or vinyl polysiloxane, tasted better and were easier to handle, but the material does not perform as well as polyether in moist conditions. Imagine having an impression material with all the desirable properties of traditional polyether materials, plus the added benefit of being less rigid and better tasting. Thanks to a remarkable new formula, EXA'lence by GC America does all this and more. An advanced technology polyether polysiloxane impression material, EXA'lence combines the intrinsic hydrophilicity of polyethers with the elasticity and pleasant taste of vinyl polysiloxane to produce excellent handling characteristics and highly accurate impressions even in a moist clinical environment. A new generation of impression materials, EXA'lence delivers excellent dimensional accuracy while maintaining its hydrophilic properties before, during, and after set. For the first time, dentists have a flexible, good-tasting, and naturally hydrophilic impression material that is easy to work with, won't distort after setting, and delivers outstanding results on the first take. As the first true VPES, or vinyl polyether silicone material, EXA'lence provides all the advantages of polyether and VPS impression materials with none of the disadvantages. Intrinsically hydrophilic, EXA'lence requires no surfactant to achieve high levels of wettability. This produces excellent flow into the sulcus while controlling the bubbles and voids that often occur with less hydrophilic materials. EXA'lence's high tear strength enables easy removal without deformation, which reduces chair time and eliminates the need for costly retakes. Its excellent flow properties allow you to capture exceptional detail, and the toughness and elasticity of the material facilitate multiple pours without sacrificing accuracy. Fast setting and easy to use, EXA'lence has a pleasant mint taste and is compatible with any disinfection procedure. With traditional VPS materials, a surfactant is added to make the material more hydrophilic. However, this approach has two distinct disadvantages. First, it takes time for the surfactant to reach the surface of the material. As a result, when the VPS material first comes in contact with the tooth and soft tissue, at the most critical part of the impression procedure, it may not behave as a hydrophilic material. Second, because the surfactant is an additive rather than an intrinsic part of the material, when the surfactant comes into contact with fluid around the tooth, it diffuses into the fluid, which reduces the amount of surfactant remaining in the impression material. As a result, voids and gaps can occur wherever moisture and blood are present. In contrast, EXA'lence's advanced chemistry locks the polyether and VPS molecules together to produce a fully integrated, naturally hydrophilic material. EXA'lence's intrinsic hydrophilic properties have been proven in laboratory tests. As we can see in this laboratory demonstration, the EXA'lence material is actually pulled down into the water in true hydrophilic fashion. In contrast, the VPS material is pushed up and away from the water, demonstrating its hydrophobic nature. When EXA'lence encounters moisture, the VPS and polyether molecules react with each other rather than with the fluid, so that no diffusion occurs. As a result, the material comes in closer contact with two surfaces, enabling you to capture greater detail during set time. EXA'lence starts wet and stays wet while it is being syringed into the sulcus, so that you get more accurate impressions and better fitting restorations with every procedure. Available in 5 viscosities: extra light body, medium monophase body, heavy body, and heavy body rigid, EXA'lence's intrinsic wettability delivers a consistently predictable fit, with minimal or no adjustments. EXA'lence also offers superior flow properties and tear strength when compared to other impression materials. It exhibits excellent thixotropic properties as it flows under pressure, but doesn't slump. As we can see in this flow test, comparing the extra light body, and medium body viscosities against leading competitors, EXA'lence provides superior flow even when margins are below the gingiva. In a clinical test measuring tear strength, EXA'lence extra light body and light body outperform the competition to a significant degree. EXA'lence also offers a variety of set times for total control during the procedure and is compatible with VPS tray adhesives. For years, dentists who chose polyether impression materials had to sacrifice easy handling and good taste in order to achieve accurate detail. Likewise, dentists who chose VPS materials sacrificed fine detail in order to enjoy excellent handling and superior strength. With new EXA'lence, you really can have the best of both worlds. EXA'lence combines the excellent handling of VPS with the fine detail of polyether. It delivers high tear strength, yet has the flexibility to get you in and out of tight places under unpredictable conditions. Its predictable subgingival flow minimizes voids and bubbles, and its mild, minty taste will please even the most discriminating patient. For the labs, EXA'lence provides a high level of detail that virtually eliminates retakes and provides an optimal fitting restoration. Designed to be predictable in an unpredictable environment, EXA'lence is the ideal impression material for all your laboratory needs. When taking impressions, there's nothing more frustrating than having to do retakes because of bubbles, voids, or tearing. By combining the intrinsic hydrophilic properties of polyethers with the superior handling and pleasant taste of VPS materials, EXA'lence eliminates the problems associated with moisture and makes it easier than ever for dentists to take highly accurate impressions, even under wet conditions. For superior ease of use and precise detail reproduction that virtually eliminates retakes while providing an optimal fitting restoration, choose new EXA'lence from the name you know and trust, GC America.